Hi, my name is Nisi. My real name is Tondaleo, actually, but they call me Nisi. And I'm here to show you guys how I created the call before midnight. Before I created a single scene for the call before midnight, I built the world first. So what I did was, it's called a Bible or a dossier. If you're going to have more than 3 or 4 characters, you need to build the character, the scenes, the location, the camera angle, what colors, VEX and HEX that you're going to use. Um, Actually, I'll show you how to do that. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how to share my screen. Okay, here we go. Go into my Gmail actually. Say for instance, I actually have 32 characters for the web series The Call Before Midnight. So I built each character. Matter of fact, the main character is named Elias Voss. And this is his um, dossier. We call it a Bible. We call it the character Bible, the character reference, whatever you might want to call it. But we have like his primary skin tone, VEX code is something that I made up, so I'll be able to keep up with which character it is, as you can see. And the hex is something pretty much goes across all platforms. It is the coloring. So like you have a hashtag 583527, which means it is like a rich, deep, dark brown skin tone. So I have all this, his height, his skin color, shadow, the hair, his lips, eyebrows, his signature wardrobe, as you can see, would be like black, and I'll make sure I have what color it is, black for the VEX code. In hex, it would be the code that you can do with whether it be Higgsfield, Leonardo, Google Flow, pretty much all of them. Design, they all pretty much use this hex code as far as color wise for the color palette. Sorry. In his core um, color string, I mean his wardrobe string, I mean everything that Eliza will be. Actually, I want to say I actually have his personality as well. So, like the Call Before Midnight, the Character Bible, Volume 1, the Character Dossier 001, because that is his number. That's assigned to his characters. So I know when I'm actually putting it up in 11 Lab, Elias Voss, and that's his status. He's a primary protagonist in this, and his canon status is like pending approval. Once approved, it's just like something in the actual web series. His classified intelligence dossier, his full name, age, nationality, his occupation, known languages that he's supposed to know. I mean, I built a whole character, physical profile, signature style, his color palette, black charcoal, navy, olive, whatever you're going to put. His signature wardrobe is very casual. What do you wear? Business attire. His tactical when it's cold weather or whether it's a formal event. His AI non-negotiables always are. It's always going to be short black hair, trim box beard, brown eyes. It's always going to be this across the board. He would never have long beard, dyed hair. This whole never. His performance Bible. Elias is not loud. He doesn't try to dominate a room. This is all his personality traits. His greatest strength, his greatest weakness, his core belief, his greatest fear, the relationships with pretty much all the main characters that are in The Call Before Midnight. Levels of secrets. I mean, I go all in, deep dive, personal secrets, story secret, cinematic DNA, what kind of lighting we use whenever he's in a scene, his signature locations, where we pretty much have him at, his signature props, voice profile, his character arc, and his master prompt. So when we make up his master prompt, we actually add the hex codes to it, and it actually will build out with it inside the actual prompt. And then when you put it in, um, when you drop it in, whichever AI platform you use, it'll pop up and you actually get a better, more consistent character. Because I have Mid Journey, and it works really well in Mid Journey for my locations. And here's my location Bible, because we do have a location Bible. Because this is, I think, like 20 locations that we have. So I'm gonna pull that up for you. Let me show you how detailed that is. Location Bible. And that was gonna be bigger than me. It's not big. Open it up. Here we go. The Call for Midnight, the Location Bible. The Lock Master Index. So he's in Washington, D.C., Istanbul, Paris, Zurich. And you see we have the VEX links. That just lets me know where exactly he'll be located at and what the ratio, which ratio we're using. Geneva, diplomatic summits, VEX links, VEX, LGT government. The visual rules for him is unstyled diplomatic halls, polished wood, podiums. Yeah, it gets kind of deep and kind of, I guess, kind of tedious as well. But I want all the scenes to look real, like photorealistic. I want all the scenes to be consistent. So if I keep using the same prompts, if I have this already put up together, then I know exactly what to do. Open items, parents, the channel log. Then I'm show you my camera log. I'm in my camera Bible because I have one of those too. Let me see. I can find it right quick. Sorry about that. Here we go. The Call Before Midnight Camera Bible. VEX Cam Registry version 1.0. The purpose is the VEX Cam system controls how the audience sees the scene. It defines the camera framing, lens field, camera movement, the subject distance, all that. So VEX Cam is that EST, cinematic establishing short. Lets me know whether how far to pull in the lens and how far to pull out, whether you're gonna pan the scene. So all of this is pretty much my little setup. So I'll know when I'm actually writing and telling chat or Claude, because I actually use both to create the Call Before Midnight. So they bounced, I bounced ideas off of both of them and came in with one script. I got like 9 episodes. Episode 1 will be coming out probably the next few days. But it gives you the depth of it and how many tokens you might have to use and what to avoid. Intimate character dialogue, surveillance, observation, and how you want the camera to be aimed and angled at that. Sorry about that. So it gets pretty detailed for me. It's what works for me. To have all of it done and put up. Like I already have. Let me see if I can go into my um go into my where's my journey at? Well, here in my folder. I still have, let me look it up. I have, let's see, it's well, if I can find it. Oh, shoot. Oh, you know what? Mm-mm. And come from midnight, Washington. I don't know what it will show up right now. Oh, here we go. All my screens, all my characters. I already have them lined up, so I know which one to grab. Let me see. Let me see. Like this, the conference room registration. It was already um, made. The hotel lobby, luxury conference hall, just all the different places that he would be. Like when he's being watched, I have images for that. When he's in the airport, when he's at home, actually, and the one with I have the airplane too. All I have to do is actually insert him into each scene, each character in each scene. But I'll show you that on the next tutorial when I show you how I actually develop the characters. But this right here is how I actually start building my Bible or dossier, whichever word you're comfortable with. And this is how I started the call before midnight. Oh, let me get out of here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section, and I'll try to answer each and every one of them. I know this was a little tedious and really boring, but gathering all the information that you need is rather boring, especially when you're trying to develop a web series. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great one. Bye.